Hello everyone, this is Shad Reis from SCAI 2024 in Long Beach. I'm really privileged to be with the chair and co-chair of SCAI Scientific Session 2024, Dr. Abbott and Binita Shah. Congratulations for a great program. So far it's a phenomenal success and attendance. So tell us about big hits of 2024. We'll start with you, Don.
Well, it's already a great meeting. We're off to a terrific start with registration, well over 2,000 participants. We have a record number of faculty and posters and science being presented this year. And we've expanded the tracks. We have a science and practice track this year where we have featured clinical research, oral posters, review of consensus documents, and that's really rounded out the tracks, the clinical tracks. And also the global case exchange this year with our partnering societies. We have live cases from 4 different countries, including India, Mexico, Italy, Saudi Arabia.
Nice.
So it's really just ramped up the excitement.
Yeah. So Binita, what do you think the attendees will take away from this conference?
I think the most important thing to take away from this is that everything that we do in interventional cardiology requires a lot of practice, a lot of getting your hands on devices. And we are offering a lot of hands-on workshops here throughout the sessions in addition to the didactics. A lot of images to look at, to interpret, in addition to the didactics. And I think that's really important to our field, where practice is everything.
So fellows are important to SCAI, and you have a dedicated conference every winter. But what have been done for this SCAI Scientific Session?
A lot of focus has gone into fellows education. We started off this morning with a symposium on calcium management. We had over 80 fellows participating, and it's really case-based and practical. And the faculty is like leading educators. And also, we've built in a transition to practice series where they're getting a lot of professional development advice, which is sometimes lacking in their own training program.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Binita, so you are the chair next year? Actually, maybe by tomorrow, right?
Hand over the reins.
I know you're going to hand over, yeah.
Yeah.
So how SCAI going to be different compared to any other conferences? There's a lot of conferences happening throughout the year. Practicing physicians, they have limited time to travel. So why they should come to SCAI?
Well, SCAI is the national society for our field. We are the society that is constantly advocating for interventional cardiologists, for our staff that work with us, for our colleagues in imaging that work with us very closely. That's what we do, and that's something that we're constantly pushing forward, not just from the science perspective, but also from the advocacy perspective. And next year in 2025, we'll be in DC, home of the NIH, home of the FDA, home for where we do a lot of our advocacy work up on the Hill.
Well, I mean, I'm really privileged. I know we're missing Dr. Sahil Parikh. He's going to be the co-chair for next year. But I'm very privileged to have 2 talented, great mentor and leader in the field leading the SCAI Scientific Session. Thanks for all the hard work you put together. And for our viewers there, stay tuned for more programs and make sure you join us in DC next year. Watch these videos and others on SCAI-TV. This is Shad Reis from Long Beach. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.